Okay, I've got some laundry to do today. My MLGA t-shirt and other things. Place over there called Ottery, wash and dry, self-service. So we're gonna go see how that works. Just on, I think this is 3rd Road, right? Lenkee's here. Yeah, it's just over there, so let's go and check it out. Once we get across the road, we'll be okay. Chance would be a fine thing, eh? Very busy road this, at times. And everyone goes too damn fast, or too damn slow. Right, this is just ridiculous, right? There we go. Yeah, so just here, next door to New York Pizza House. Probably get a pizza after, as a treat. 10 kilogram washing, put up to 10 kilos in the thing, I guess. Free Wi-Fi, that's always a good thing. Coffee machine, nice. Yeah, it's quite a nice little place. Beats doing it on the street. So these machines are occupied. We've got a couple of spare ones there. And I'm just a bit concerned about drying, but they've got dryers, but I don't want to shrink all my stuff. So we'll just go on the gentle program. So first things first, we need a change. I got 100 baht. These things take coins, right? So let's put it in here. Whoa. Jackpot. So you get, I put 100 baht in. I got 60 baht coins and then 4 of these tokens. So it's like a 40 baht minimum spend, right? It's pretty cool. Let's launder. And then you need, do I use it? I use my 10 bahts now. These are 5 bahts for your washing powder. I have no idea which ones I want. I'll probably go for the, I don't know, I feel like that one's gonna be nice, the purple one. So it's 10 baht. I can get that one. Wow, I might get 2 of them. Or a softener, detergent softener. I have no idea. It's all the same shit, isn't it? Come on. One side is for detergent, this one. One side for softener, right? So, preset that. Maybe we should load it up first. This is mad. Basically, I want to wear this again tonight. I'm going to wash it, and I want to test if it washes well, you know. Let's just sling that in there. Now, do I put black stuff in? These are my Charles Wilson's, by the way, CW clothes. CWclothes.co.uk. Black stuffs with the white stuffs, blacks with the whites, I don't think so. Then you've got these things, it's like, oh, what do we do? It's pretty white. Sort it out. No, maybe I have to do 2 loads, I don't know. This is pretty white. I don't know, should we just test? I don't think these are going to bleed colour, are they? And I do wash my trackies, by the way, boys. And I do have 2 pairs. People have been asking, you know. Check the pockets first as well. Pro tip, check the pockets. They look good. This side. Yeah, I don't might find 500 baht in there like I did last night. Okay. I'll tell you what, you know what? My shirt, border ram shirt. That's the end of the shirt. That's well faded. There's no incriminating stuff in here. Finally, I think that blue thing's gonna fuck it. I'll leave that out. What next? Softener? No, detergent. How the hell do we do this? I've got scissors. Still rolling. Still rolling, my friend. Very good. Guess you just pour it in like that. This is all, new to me. Little bin there. Bin. And then, is this softener? Fuck it. Who cares if it's softener or not? Right. How much? 4? Does that say 4 tokens?
Yeah.
Can use, is it 2? I don't know. Let's try it. Let's do 1. Strange. Page 20. Once all 4. And then warm, cold, warm, cold. What's cold then? Cold. Yeah, we're gonna go with cold. We don't want to shrink our shit, I don't think we go. That's it, right? Okay. Okay, so I don't know how long this is going to take. 30 minutes, mate. Should we go get a pizza?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah? I'm going to go get a pizza. So now it's my man's turn to have a go. I bet he does a better job than I do.
Yeah, I probably use the auto coins first simply because you can't use them anywhere else, right?
Yeah, use the auto coins, because you need 4 of them. But not in here.
Oh, you can?
Use your 10 bahts in here, because you need 4 for the wash anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so these say 5 baht, so I think you've got to use actual baht for that.
You know what? Let's see.
Yeah, you can have a go. No, it says.
Oh, yeah.
Then, yeah, I figured. So, yeah. You want to try the pink one?
Yeah, let me do it.
Yeah, you tried the opposite what I tried.
Yeah, and then,
Yeah, the blue downy one.
there we go.
Happy days. This machine, yeah? Cool. Hope you've got no thongs and bikinis and mankinis and all that stuff. You lightly soiled or heavily soiled?
Probably lightly soiled for most of it.
Most. The bed sheet's pretty heavily soiled, right?
Yeah, probably.
I would have thought so by now. Oh, you washed the bag as well?
Yeah, why not? Because
Cool.
it's all the dirty clothes in here, right? So.
Ah, yeah. Hygiene conscious, very good. Yeah, so scissors. Oh yeah. Oh, you're doing well here, man. Very good, very quick. Now you've got to choose if you want it hot or cold, right? Oh no, you need your money.
Yeah,
Money
hot.
first. Hot or coins. Actually, it's quite a cool little business setup, isn't it? The way he's got his own coins and everything.
Yeah. Well, it encourages customer loyalty as well, right? And then, yeah, we're good.
Cold, right? Yeah. Lightly soiled. Boom. 30
There you go.
minutes, or 28 minutes
Yeah.
and a bit. Mine's getting on nicely. You can see the hacienda spinning around in there. 25 minutes on mine. Let's go get a pizza. So we just went for a pizza while we waited for the laundry. I don't know what I did with my 10 baht coins, but I guess he took them as a tip. This is mine here,
Yeah, that's mine.
and this is yours. We're going to figure out how to do the dryers. 3 of them are in operation already. Wow. That's the spare one. Do you want to just dry all that shit together?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
what's that?
I don't know. It's industrial. I don't know. We're moving around.
So, I don't know what I did with those 10 baht coins, but never mind. No biggie. Let's figure out the dryer. What does it say? Don't put dogs in the dryer? Do not dry this item. You read that? No dogs in the dryer. Oh yeah. Fire? Fire in the dryer? Okay, cool. Yeah, this is mine. See how that washed? Yeah. Still looks the same size. It's pretty fresh. Still white. colours haven't run. Let's see how it handles the bright. No? Oh, that's heavy. Wow, look at that. That's massive. So we could do our stuff together or not? It's up to you.
Well, otherwise we have to wait, so might as well.
Sort it out after, but
Yeah. Well, the other ones are occupied anyways, right?
we're gonna lose time either way. So.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but yeah, you've got the better way to do it. Watch your head, man. Excellent. Cool, cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I think it just naturally.
I think we're gonna. Oh, hang on. Which side do we put it? Upper. So this is the upper one. See that? There's two slots, but.
And then it goes up. Yeah.
I had to figure that out.
Should you be standing?
And is it like a? I want it on low, right? Do you agree?
It'll take longer or no?
But you got to be gentle. That work? 4, 2. Put one more in.
Oh, this one didn't go in.
That's one.
Well, you still need 10 more bar, right?
All right, well, one more. It says 3, but I don't know what that means.
Where they up it?
Corner bar, size 6. Alright, we should be finished with the drying now. Let's go have a look. Oh yeah, MLGA.
Hey, let me call you back in a few minutes, okay? I'm finishing up my laundry. Alright.
Yeah? Smells good. All good.
I took a little clip.
Charlie, that's
Shrinkage? How is it?
perfect. Right, we're good.